Welcome to Dave's Wine Garden, a project in the works for the last 50 years, producing exquisite wines straight from Oregon. Let's talk to Dave.
Well, here at the Church of the Half-Filled Glass, this is how we do it. You remember from the last little episode, we went over all of the required equipment you need for the entire process. And today, we just need these items. 5-gallon food processing bucket. Why is that? Well, it's just one step of being a little bit closer to cleanliness. Gallon of water. 2 half-gallons. I filter my water, but for the first time, keep it simple. I've got the required amount of fruit available for this batch. Varies on every batch. If you have any questions, you can always look up Row River Adventures and ask. It takes different amount of fruit based on the actual fruit that you pick or select. So everything's a little bit different. We're doing this as if we're doing a batch of blackberry wine. Why? Because here blackberries are everywhere. You can get them everywhere. First step is to get your fruit into the bucket. Next step, I made my own masher out of a 2x2 piece of wood, made the handle comfortable, and you go in here and you just mash away. So if you have a huge blender, you could probably, some of the stuff, a lot of it you can just blend. But I'm just gonna mash away. Mashing takes time. And while we're taking that time, we have the water heating up in the house so that we can add sugar to the water. When you take this sugar and add it to the water, it kind of changes it a little bit to make it work better with the yeast. Now you can look up the scientific answer to all of that if you like, but that's all you need to know first time through. So we're mashing. Blackberries are easy to mash. Other fruits are not. Okay. With blackberries, the numbers you need to know are basically 3 pounds of blackberries to make a gallon of wine. Three pounds of berries, 3 pounds of sugar, and a gallon of water. 3, 3, and 1. So, when I have the water heated and I have the sugar mixed in the water, you don't want to add it directly to the mix without cooling it down to a reasonable temperature. Huh. What the heck does reasonable mean? Can you stick your finger in it without burning you? Well, that's reasonable. So,